Hey, boys and girls. It's Mr. McGandrew, the math coach. Very excited to be with you today. So we're going to do some more place value today, but with a twist. So let's check out what that's all about. So let's start with this number. We have 326. Okay, so that would be 300, 100, 200, 300, 20. Okay, 6. All right, 6 ones, or 6 pieces of candy, so to speak. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, oops, 6. You can't see that. Okay. So once you build your number, what we're going to do is we're going to add 10. Okay, we're going to add another bag of candy. So if we do that, so right now we have 326, right? If we add another bag of candy, we now have 300. Now we have 310, so 30, and the 1 stay the same, right? So 336. Okay, do you see that? What if I added 20? So in other words, I had 20, and now I'm going to add 20 more. 10, 20. Now we still have 300s, but now we have 4 10s and still 6 1s. So now we have 346. All right, if I added another 10, right, that means I started with 20 and then I added 30 more. That means I still have 300s, but now I have 356. The ones stay the same again. What I want you to see, boys and girls, is that when you add 10 or 20 or 30, okay, it's only unless you get up to 10 of the 10s, in which case you can make another 100, right? You're only going to be changing, the number only goes up in the tens place. Do you see that? Right? These numbers, the 3 stays the same and the 6 stays the same. Okay, so here's what you're going to do right now. Let me show you. All right, so what we're going to do is play the game that you were playing the other day. So you roll the dice. I got a 10. Let's do it again. I got a 2. So today, I'm going to put the 2 here because that's probably going to give me the biggest number. Oh, 1. Ugh. I'll put the 1 here. And I got a 5. Okay. So I can change the 2 and the 1 if I want, but I'm okay with it. So you're going to build 500. So let's say 100, 2, 300, 400. So 512. Okay. So what I want you to do is what you did before. So you have 500, 10, and 2. Okay. So you have 512. What I would like you to do, okay, is write down 512 and then add 10 and see what you get. So I'm going to add a 10. And now I'm going to say I have 522. You can see that it changed right there. Okay, so build the number and then just add a 10 to whatever you have. Okay, so what I'm going to say is you can't have a 9 here. If you have a 9, you could have a 9 here, but then you're going to end up with 10 10s and you're going to have to regroup, which is great, but we're not going to do that right now. Okay, so do this a few times to get comfortable with it. And then what I want you to do on the next slide, here I'll show you. All right, so what I would like you to do, this will be Wednesday, okay? This is Wednesday. It'll say build with place value and add 10. So you build, let's say, so this one is 231. Okay, so you build 200 and then 31. I'll erase this stuff. And then you want to solve it. First, it's telling you to add 10, which you've just had some practice with. Okay, so I'm going to add 10. Oh, sorry, I'm not showing you. Sorry about that. So here, okay, I'm going to build 231. And then the problem said to add 10. So I add 10. Now what I want you to do, boys and girls, on a separate piece of paper, if you have it, if you can, is you would write down the problem. 231 plus 10 equals, Okay, and then you can see what it is here. It's 241. So you'd write that down, 241. And then you would do the next problem, which is, actually, if you go across, you'll see 231 plus 20, and then 231 plus 50. So each row you start with the same number. So you only have to build 3 numbers, and then you add 10, 20, and then over here there's different numbers to add. Okay? So use your base 10 pieces to help you with it. All right? And that'll be very helpful to you. And solve the problems on a separate piece of paper if you have it. If not, then maybe just write it onto a whiteboard or your dry erase sleeve. All right, boys and girls, great job, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.